In this highly informative video, we delve into the intriguing question, can India become a new China for Apple? Join us as we unravel the potential of India as Apple's emerging market powerhouse. India, known for its rapidly growing population and increasing purchasing power, presents an unprecedented opportunity for Apple to further expand its reach. As Apple aims to tap into new markets, the Indian market holds immense promise due to its vast consumer base and favorable economic climate. With a focus on demonstrating the immense potential that India holds for Apple, this video dissects various crucial aspects. We explore the burgeoning middle class in India, known for their inclination towards premium brands and affinity for technologically advanced gadgets. Such trends make India an ideal market for Apple, considering the brand's reputation for cutting-edge innovation. Additionally, the video uncovers the key strategies Apple has employed to establish a strong foothold in India. From local manufacturing initiatives to localized marketing campaigns, Apple has been tailoring its approach to resonate with Indian consumers. By understanding the unique preferences and aspirations of the Indian population, Apple strives to create products and services that cater to their specific needs, thus fostering long-term customer loyalty. Witness firsthand the evolving landscape of Apple in India and the potential impact it could have on the company's growth trajectory. From the challenges faced by Apple in establishing dominance amidst fierce competition, to the opportunities that arise from India's rapidly evolving digital infrastructure, we leave no stone unturned in this comprehensive analysis. If you're fascinated by the ever-evolving global technology market and Apple's ambitious expansion plans, this video is a must-watch. Gain valuable insights into India's immense potential and the pivotal role it could play in Apple's future success. Hey there! Can India truly become a new China for Apple? Don't miss out on this illuminating exploration of Apple's emerging market powerhouse in India.